Hello everyone, we are in week 5 and this video is about the process of setting up our collaborative course. This process goes back to week 3, so I'll go back to week 3, January 28th, February 3rd. In week 3 we started forming the teams. We started team formation, started discussion and respond to one another. Okay, we formed teams and we responded to one another. Okay, here are the discussions and the responses. Okay, in week 3. Okay, because for key days, different courses. So we have the suggestions for collaborative course ideas. The conceptions of the course has begun in week 3. Go back to week 3, so that's first step, and then it continued in all along week 4. So we go to week 4 and we see what we did in week 4. February 4th, February 10th. In week 4 we formed the groups, the teamwork, team formation, create discussion and respond to one another, teamwork, design of collaborative course according to groups. So, and of course in week 5 the process continues. In week 5 we're supposed to work on the syllabus we have already created in week 4. Okay, I'll go back to week 4. I'm in team number 2. Yeah, so here are the groups, here are the teams. Collaborative course design number 1, collaborative course design 2, collaborative course design 3, collaborative course design 4, collaborative course design 5. Of course, it's we're here in collaborative course design 2. Okay, so this is our space for work. That's topic 1, topic 2, topic 3. We can change the name of the topics. Some of my colleagues, my teammates have already started working, Beatrice and others. So at the airport, okay, booking over the phone, tips for travelers, etc. I think I'll be working on topic 4 and 5. You can add a topic, so you can turn editing on here. Okay, turn editing on. Just have try tentative. I can of course edit topic 4. I start right now working on topic on this section. So edit. Sorry. Just wait a minute. Can edit for here. You can edit the edit section to topic 4. Of course, you can change the name. That will be in hotel. Or at the hotel. So let's scroll down. Okay, you should click on custom, then it will be at a hotel. At a hotel, Okay, and then we can add a summary to the course, to this section, sorry. Okay, save changes, and in this section we can add activities, resources, etc. So I think this is how this is a brief summary of the process of collaborative code design. Thank you very much. I hope I'm not too boring, and I hope that the quality of the voice is okay this time.